Guys, this is the Aqua heavy duty nozzle here, all metal construction, super sturdy, super light, but just has an amazing amount of force to it. And you can see there's even a little filter there, so that will stop anything from getting into it that shouldn't. And I'm going to go ahead and attach it to our hose here so I can show you how it works. It's got 7 different types of flows here, and it's super easy to adjust. Here, if I go ahead and start it, you can use this to adjust the flow of the water just with your thumb. And this is also metal, so it's not going to ever get ruined. And you can see right now we're on the cone setting. If I switch it, that's the center setting, flat. Here's the jet setting, and that's a really nice strong jet. You can use that to clean some things pretty well. There's the shower, which my kids love to run through and under. There's that mist, which my kids also love. And the soaker. And then finally the cone. And then we're back to this center. So you can see there's so many different modes, and you can adjust the intensity of the water and the flow just with this. Turn it off, or you can get a small flow and you can see that increase in intensity. So it's indestructible, all metal. You don't have to deal with that anything to push down here, so nothing's going to break. This will last you a lifetime. It is the last one you'll ever need, and it's just been an amazing addition to our garden tools. So we definitely wanted to share it with you.